Algebra is the language of problem solving. Variables like x and y are your friends, acting as placeholders for unknown numbers, while constants like 3 or -5 stay the same. When you combine these into expressions, such as 2x plus 5, you create a mathematical statement. Add an equals sign, and you've got an equation like 2x plus 5 is equal to 10, which you can solve. To find x, use inverse operations, subtract 3 from both sides to get 2x equals 4, then divide by 2 to discover that x equals 2. Algebra also lets you visualize relationships through functions. For instance, the function y equals 2x plus 3 can be graphed, revealing how changes in x affect y. Mastering these concepts opens doors in science, finance, and technology. Keep practicing, and you'll see how powerful algebra can be.